Migrating a database is like restructuring a building. For the migration to complete successfully, you need a plan not to overlook anything that's necessary for the database to work properly. Plan your migration to ensure efficiency, data integrity, and a smooth transition process. Before migrating your database, you first need to decide what type of migration you are after. The two most common types of migration are data migration and database schema migration. Think of data migration as moving the things in a building, such as the furniture and the like, while schema migration can be thought of as migrating the blueprint or the core foundation of the house itself. There are different things you should consider when migrating your data, your schema or both of those things, so having a goal of what you want to achieve when migrating is a crucial step in your journey. When migrating data, you may be transferring data from one database management system to another, upgrading the version of your database, or changing the way your data is stored or accessed. When migrating the schema, you may be changing the data types of specific columns, introducing, changing, or removing indexes or partitions, or adding, altering, or dropping tables. No matter what type of migration you're after, keep in mind that if you're migrating to a different database management system, some of the things you're used to might change. Configuration may be different, schemas may change, and other functionality you're used to may not be available, so it is crucial to keep yourself educated about both types of database management systems you find yourself using. Documentation is a lifesaver in that regard. Keep an eye on your backup strategy and make sure your backups can be restored too. Your backup type will directly impact the migration process as well. The size of your data also has a direct impact on the backup and restoration process. The bigger your dataset is, the longer it will take to be restored, so instead of making logical backups, consider exporting the raw data itself and re-importing it as necessary. Various database management systems have various options related to this, such as mysql, flow data in file and the like, so look around and you will definitely find something that fits your use case. Subscribe to this channel to know more about database migration and other related things, and until next time.